Hi everyone. In this video, I want to explain how to set a custom wallpaper on your smartwatch using the Lefun Health app with an Android phone. For this demonstration, I'm using a Xiaomi Poco. My first recommendation is that if you already have the app installed, uninstall it and reinstall it so you can follow this tutorial exactly. Also, make sure your Bluetooth and location GPS are turned on. Long press the app icon, go to App Info, then to App Permissions, and enable Location, Photos, and Nearby Devices. Once you open the app, accept the terms and conditions of use. Look for the Device Equipo option and connect your smartwatch. In some cases, the app might ask you to register with your email address. Once your watch is connected, look for the Customize Image option. Select the image icon at the bottom left, then choose to replace image. Make sure to allow full access to your gallery. Otherwise, you won't be able to see your photos. Select the image you like. Then click on the installed option and wait for it to load. And that's it. Your smartwatch now has a personalized wallpaper. If this video was useful for you, I'd be very grateful if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.